Aman, burdened by anxiety, finds himself amidst the vibrant chaos of a small town. Ravi approaches with an aura of serenity and offers Aman a gentle, reassuring smile. Amidst the cacophony of the market, Aman seeks solace, questioning, "How do you stay so calm amidst all this chaos?" Sunlight bathes Ravi's meticulously tended garden, a vibrant oasis of colors and life. With a sweeping gesture, Ravi unveils the garden as a metaphor for the mind, a sanctuary for growth. Ravi imparts wisdom. Imagine your mind is like this garden. You must remove the weeds, negative thoughts let the good ones grow, revealing the path to inner peace. Aman observes with keen interest, drawn into Ravi's analogy, his mind open to the lessons of the garden. As the first light of dawn graces the sky, Aman sits on his balcony, poised for a journey inward. His initial tranquility shatters as a torrent of anxieties floods his mind, his brow furrowing with frustration. Let the thoughts pass like clouds. In a moment of clarity, Ravi's words echo in his mind, offering a beacon of calm amidst the storm. Weeks later, Aman's office radiates an aura of calm efficiency, a world away from the chaos that once consumed it. His colleagues exchange glances of quiet surprise, witnessing Aman's transformation from anxious to composed. In a moment of crisis, Aman's serene composure shines, a stark contrast to the turmoil that once gripped him. Under the radiant sun, Aman shares his practice, gathering friends and family in a serene display of unity and mindfulness. In a moment of serene connection, loved ones mirror Aman, quiet dedication, each breath a step towards inner harmony. The town square transforms into a sanctuary of mindfulness as Aman and his community find solace and strength in their shared practice. Days later, the town awakens to a new rhythm, a tapestry woven with moments of mindfulness amidst the hustle of daily life. In the quiet before the storm, a shopkeeper finds solace in a moment of stillness, a sanctuary amidst the cacophony of commerce. As the school bell looms, children stand tall, breathing deeply, finding strength in unity before facing the challenges of the day. In the heart of homes, families unite in peaceful meditation, forging bonds of serenity that resonate through generations. Transformed by mindfulness, the town radiates with an aura of calm, a beacon of serenity in a world of chaos. Aman and Ravi find solace in the quietude of the tea stall, their peaceful presence echoing the town's revitalized tranquility. In a moment of gentle reflection, Aman marvels at the profound impact of simple habits, whispering, "I never knew such small habits could bring such big changes." The air is filled with the scent of tea and the quiet hum of contentment.